Set and track individual sales targets for each user. Monitor achievements, compare performance, and ensure your team stays aligned with revenue goals. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Settings, System. Click on User Sales Target. Click on Edit. Click on Add Sales Target. Click on Add Target. Enter the data for the sales target. If you want it on a weekly basis, you can click Add Target and set the date. Click on Save. Click on Lead. Click on Open in New. Click on Add Deal. Fill the detail with closing data. Click on Save. Click on Reports. Click on Sales Target Report. In the Sales Target Report, you can see the achieved amount and the achievement percentage.